Presenting the 2011 Nissan Rogue S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front side airbag, stability control, passenger airbag sensor, ABS, trip computer, child safety locks, driver illuminated vanity mirror, auxiliary audio input, and bucket seats. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.